Did you know American expats legally living in France can claim APL, aide personnalisée au logement, and get up to €380 knocked off their rent every single month? Most people assume it's only for French citizens. It's not. Here's exactly how to claim it in 2025 and 2026. Step 1. Confirm your eligibility. You need a valid titre de séjour, a French rental contract in your name, and your landlord must agree to CAF direct payment, called the Tiers Payant Convention. Step 2. Apply online at caf.fr through the dedicated APL simulator first. It takes about 8 minutes and shows your estimated benefit before you commit to anything. You'll need your last 2 tax notices, your lease, and your passport. Step 3. Once approved, CAF backdates payments to the month you submitted the dossier, not the month you moved in, so apply the very same day you sign your lease, not weeks later. The critical mistake expats make? Listing a family member's address instead of their own rental on the application. CAF cross-checks with the tax authority and the landlord database. If addresses don't match, your dossier gets suspended and you could owe back payments. This is general information only. Always consult a qualified professional. Subscribe. We help expats in Europe navigate the system every single day.